Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video, we are going to make some salsa verde. Now, this video, the intro is probably going to be longer than the actual recipe. And the reason for that is I want to kind of share with you the historical significance of this recipe to me. If that doesn't interest you, I will put in a chapter break so you can skip right ahead to the recipe itself. But for those of you that are interested in how this whole cooking thing started for me, here's the explanation. Back around 17 years ago or so, I was an early adopter when it came to HD TV. So I bought a great big 65-inch HD TV that was considered big at the time, got it all set up, and there was nothing on. Nobody was broadcasting, at least on cable, in HD TV. So I put a great big 12-foot Yagi antenna up in my attic, got myself a tuner, and was able to pull in the local PBS affiliate who was running a continuous loop of HD content. And one of the things that they had was an episode of Mexico One Plate at a Time with Rick Bayless. I watched it, and two things happened. Well, three. First, I fell in love with HD TV. Second, I fell in love with Rick Bayless. I just thought, wow, this guy is amazing. And third, I realized cooking is easy and fun, and everybody should do it. And that began my obsession with cooking everything I possibly could cook. But like I said, the first recipe was this, from that episode of Mexico One Plate at a Time, Salsa Verde. We're gonna start with 4 tomatillos. These came from my garden. And one of the things you'll find as you peel them, sometimes they're really pretty sticky. This one is definitely the worst. But yeah, you can see like I can't even, this paper, this husk stuck to me. So after I peel these, I'm gonna give them a little rinse under the faucet just to get rid of some of that stickiness. And then I'll quarter these, just helps them blend a little faster. Next, I've got a couple of jalapeno peppers. You can use jalapenos or serranos. If you're not really into heat, you can de-seed them. My family probably wants me to de-seed these. I don't know if I'm gonna. In fact, I don't think I will. Bring the heat. For garlic, I usually go 1 or 2 cloves, kind of depends on the size. I'll smash with the side of a knife. Peel. Good to go. The rest of my ingredients don't really require much prep, so I'm gonna bust out the blender. So into our blender, we have our jalapeno, garlic, and 4 to 5 tomatillos. To this, we're gonna add some fresh cilantro. Just grab a great big fist of it, rip it off. It's probably about a cup. But this is horseshoes and hand grenades, it doesn't really matter. Then we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime. And a generous 3-finger pinch of salt. Now we just blend it up. "30 seconds, that's all it took. Transfer it to a bowl. And now either serve it with pork rinds or my homemade keto tortilla chips. I'll link right up there to my keto tortilla 2.0 recipe. You dehydrate that, chips. I'm pretty excited about this. This really brings back a lot of memories for me. I just love the taste of this. It has just got such a clean, fresh smell to it. I'm glad I left those seeds in the jalapenos. Nice bite there. I don't think the family is going to be real appreciative, but that means more salsa verde for me. So there you go. Just such a ridiculously easy recipe. If you have a fear of the kitchen, This is a great one to start out with because you're going to realize that you can make something that is just top-notch with a few ingredients and a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Hit that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you're notified whenever I release a new video, tap that bell and select all notifications. Lastly, if you'd like to be a supporter of the Serious Keto Test Kitchen, click that join button and see what membership options are all about. Thanks for watching.